Hello, it's me, Dee, and welcome to Lunar Blessings. Today I'm doing an unboxing video of Goddess Provisions. This is for the month of December. I really enjoy getting this little box. It is always got some great things in here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and pop. Now this box, I believe the theme is your auras. It does cost $33 a month. I do have a referral link and I will put that down below. Now this is not a sponsor. I can talk. It feels like a Monday and it's Tuesday. I'm like, oh, this is not sponsored and no PR. Okay, I just want to get that clear. So what you're getting is just my true, raw, honest opinions and everything when I open up. So, like I said, $33 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. If there are sample size, they are considered an extra bonus, something on the side of your 5 to 7 full-size items, which I think is really nice. Okay, so here's the little box. And it is made from recycled paper. And of course, I do recycle this also. So now it says, you are safe. I just love the red rose. I like this picture. This card does tell you what is in here. This is Aura Protection Box. And in the back, we have Divine Details. It talks about how each box sold plants a tree and their monthly giveaway, the Refer Goddess program, and they have a Moon Wisdom Club, which you can get for just $11 a month. But they just talk about all this stuff, okay? So let's get into the actual box. Now, first thing is an aromatic natural inhaler. Calm, a comforting scent to help you stay composed and in control, 100% organic. Now, I have had stuff like this for like the Vicks, inhaler like that. And it's actually very helpful for me, let me tell you. But, whoa, I just had to open up the package and I can smell this. Woohoo! It is fragrant. This fragrance is called Calm. Can you see that? It's upside down. Calm. I don't even need to take the cap off. Whew. That is... It's made in Switzerland? Huh. I can't really describe this scent. Okay, I know what I'm smelling. I'm smelling the bergamot oil. There's bergamot, and I do smell the lemon on top of that. That lemon is like, there's cedar oil, clary sage oil, and vetiver oil. All ingredients are of organic origin. Essential oils may cause allergic reactions. If irritations occur, get medical advice. Well, yeah. This is something. Whew, the bergamot's like, boom. Now it's on my hands too. Wow. Whew. All right. Oh, and how much is that? That is, the aromatic inhaler is $9.50. Now then there's this. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. You can't see all the details from the camera. Okay, it says Goddess Provisions, and it's got the palmistry hand and crystals and moons. It's a little wallet. This is perfect for me. This is absolutely perfect. I needed something like this. And of course, it's vegan leather. Woohoo! I love this. This is so neat. This is a $22 value. Yeah, that sounds about right. I just love it. Can you see the detailing and the colors? It's just beautiful. Now, there's also a book, Understanding Auras, your handbook to seeing, reading, and protecting your aura. I love that it's color images in here. It's prettier, but it just, I want to read this. I'm definitely talks about chakras, your auras. This is definitely usable. Now connect with your inner you and flying clarity with the Zen Out Guide to Understanding Auras. Ooh, ah. Now the book is, okay, this is $12 value. This really, that, I think they're undercharging for something like that because the paper quality is really nice. Okay, let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, okay. This is the Snowflake Obsidian. Just like a snowflake, your energetic signature is divinely unique. Work with this purity stone when you need to clear out clutter and reset your body, mind, and spirit to their natural state. Yeah, just like a reboot, you know? So this is $4 value. I want to open this little thing up. I like to, they're always, you can tell crystal when they're cold to the touch still. They're nice, cool. It is pretty. Look at that. Yep. I'll be recharging that up. We just had that eclipse with the moon. I'm like, I think that's why I'm like, today's Monday. This is draining. This is drained. All right. What else do I got in here? Okay. Uh-oh. I dropped it on the floor. This is a Sugarite sticker. I've gotten really big ones like this. You're supposed to put this on your electronic devices. It's supposed to help you protect you. And this is worth $9 value. This is considered a miracle stone. It's supposed to protect your aura from, you know, negativity. I think I'm actually going to use this one because it's much smaller. And I think it's very cute. I think the other one I gave to my wife because it was like too big for me, but for what I wanted to use. Now we also have Sonias Shield. This is boost your immunity with this vitalizing blend of antibacterial and antiviral oils. The scent of clove bud, cassia, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus will wrap you in warmth during the cold season. Man, this is, you know, everyone, you want to keep safe and healthy. This is what it looks like. It is sealed up, which is a good thing. See if I can break the seal, because I'd like to try and smell this, you know, get rid of the bergamot smell. It's strong, like frankincense and myrrh. There's some strong scents. It's perforated so that you can pull, but I am struggling here. This is a common theme now. Yes, it is. Dee trying to open up things. Alrighty. USDA organic. Oh, I love this smell. Now this is one. Oh, yes. I do love the scent of cloves. It's so pretty. I'm hearing something weird sound. I wonder if my father-in-law's in the backyard. Sometimes he'll come over and work on things, and I just never know. But there's like snow. Oh, well, here is the last item. Now this here, oh, did I say I said the essential oil just now was $12 value. This is a $25 value. This is the Seed of Creation 2021 Moon Calendar. This is so you can, you know what the moons are for, how the moon cycles are. This is really pretty. I need to flatten this out, and I definitely will be hanging this up behind me. I think it just shows all the little, can you see all the little cycles and phases of the moon? That is so cool. So, yeah, that's it. This is really nicely made. I like the material and the paint. I'm like, ooh, So this is all about your auras and plus getting ready for 2021. I'm done with 2020. Seriously, when Google crashed, that was like, things is just like getting over and over and over the top this year. I'm done with it. I am done. 2021, please give me some hope. I feel like Princess Leia with Obi-Wan, you're my only hope. The little okay, you have to be a Star Wars fan to get it. Sorry. Anyway, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get Goddess Provisions. I really do suggest this box gives me things that are usable in your everyday life. I mean, a wallet, you got a book, you got a calendar, you got some essential oils that one of them smells incredible. And I say yes to this box. I just really enjoyed it. I will have my referral link down below if you wish to subscribe. Also, if you get this box, talk to me about it. Tell me what your thoughts are. And if you want to continue getting these boxes. All right, everybody, please subscribe to this channel. I have my other channel, the MB Network, which has a lot more subscribers. I'd like to see some of y'all over here, see more people here. And like the video. I love you all. I'll see you next time here. Bye.